Hello creative people, this is Sabbir Ahmed from Tech Biporit. When you are using many software, those will keep cache files automatically in your hard drive. This video will help you to clean your unnecessary cache files from your Mac. Look at the cache file size from Activity Monitor. It's almost 1.3 GB plus, right? So let's make a one-click cleaner and reduce the cache file size. Open Automator. Select Application and click Choose. Find Run Apple script. Drag and drop here. Copy a new script from video description and paste here. Type your computer password here. Then compile the script. Now save this script. Set a name and choose Application from file format. Then save it. Let's open this script. Give access permission. Wow, cache file size has been reduced. Now we will use it from menu bar. Open script editor. Go to Preferences and enable script menu option. Then you will see the script editor in menu bar. Now go to Scripts folder from library and move the new script here. Now you will see Cache Cleaner in menu bar. You can use it easily. Thanks for watching.